Fulton County now, Atlanta Fire Rescue showed off 5 brand new fire engines outside Mercedes-Benz Stadium today. The new trucks are about to hit the streets, part of the city's push to modernize its fleet. Officials say the upgrades will help firefighters get to emergencies in your neighborhood even faster. And the DeKalb County Cold Case Task Force is hosting a missing persons and DNA event taking place this weekend. Now, families of missing loved ones can file new reports, update existing cases, and submit DNA samples that could help investigators identify human remains. Officials say the event is part of an ongoing effort to solve cold cases and bring families some answers.
We started this process 4 years ago in an effort to identify missing remains that we had, or unidentified remains that we had here in DeKalb County. But what we quickly learned when people were walking into our event is that the people they were looking for might be in DeKalb.
The event is open to the public and will take place in Avondale Estates this Sunday.